Well, hello again and welcome back to my channel. Now, if you've been following the channel for a while, you will know I am a fan of this, the Wagner W100 Spray Gun. And yes, you can see it's had plenty use. And I've demonstrated in previous videos what it is and isn't capable of. And I think as an entry-level spray gun, you can't really go wrong with one of these. And for the type of project I'm doing today, which is spraying the shiplap cladding around the side and the back of the workshop, it kind of comes into its own for projects like that. There is one downside to this though, and it's the container that comes with it is on the small side. So when you're actually spraying, you're spending more time unscrewing the container, filling the container back up, and that's kind of wasted time really. So today I just want to show you a little tip of what I've figured out how to get around that. You're going to need an extra pair of hands and about an extra 20 quid. So stick with me and I'll show you what I mean. So did you know that for around an extra £22 you can purchase an additional nozzle and container that fits this spray gun? So if you've got a helper for the morning, they can be filling up the additional container, and then when you run out, you can simply swap these over, which takes seconds, and you can carry on spraying whilst the spare container is being refilled. So that's the plan, and Pam has very kindly agreed to help me off camera, and I'm going to test this out around the side and the back of the workshop. I'm going to have the iPad on to time it to see how we get on, but I think that's quite a good idea, and I think that would work really well if you've got two here. So let's get out, get spraying, see how we get on. Right folks, just over 11 minutes to spray the cladding on 3 walls for, in the UK, quite a substantial sized workshop, garden room, whatever you want to call it. And that actually included moving the camera around and me falling on my backside. So yeah, so much so we did it again without filming, just had enough of the solution left. And under 20 minutes to spray the 3 walls twice round. Now, if I was doing that on my own, we're talking at least, I'd say in the region of 45 minutes to an hour it'd take me, which it's quite a chunk of time saved. If you've got someone to help you, I would certainly recommend buying the additional nozzle and the extra container, because you get round it. If you're doing your fence panels or something, you get them done in no time. Before anyone fires at me saying, oh, he would say that he's been gifted these by Wagner, no, bought and paid for with my own money, these, and I have got links to them in the description. So if you choose to go and make a purchase via one of those links, then a small commission does go to help support the channel. But yet these are all bought for and paid for with my own cash. I think that's about it, folks. If you've made it to the end of this very short video and you think that might be a help to you, please, consider it, giving it a thumbs up, or maybe even consider subscribing to the channel. Right, as ever, everyone, take care, look after yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.